Tim Southee has retired from Test cricket after a distinguished career for New Zealand. He leaves behind a legacy of 391 wickets and remarkable 98 sixes, placing him among the format's most prolific bowlers. Southee's retirement was announced before the recent Test series against England, where New Zealand secured a dominant victory. Captain Tom Latham paid tribute to Southee, highlighting his invaluable contributions to the team. Tim is a fantastic team player and his illustrious career deserves all the accolades. Latham stated Southee's 391 wickets rank him second on New Zealand's all-time list, trailing one of the legendary Richard Hadlee. His 98 sixes are a testament to the aggressive style and place him among the format's leading six-hitters. As Southee embarks on a new chapter, he has expressed interest in returning to rugby, a sport he enjoyed during his youth. While his Test career has concluded, his impact on New Zealand cricket will undoubtedly be long-lasting.